guys, today I want to show you all of the items in this Sephora Play Luxe. So Sephora Play Luxe is not like their regular monthly subscription that they have, which is Sephora Play. Sephora Play is the one that you pay $10 a month and you get it every month. This one is not a subscription, it's just a one-time purchase, and this one costs $25. This one is supposed to contain more of luxury products, samples, obviously sample sizes products, so for you to try them out. And well, yeah, let's see what's inside of this. So this is the bag. It's a really cute rose gold bag that you roll it up. So let's open this up. So this is what the bag looks like. It looks like something you can use for makeup brushes for travel, and you have all this space in here to store all of your makeup products. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing that I see is this Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill Classico mascara. So this is the size. Let me see if you can see that. This is the size. Not bad. This is a pretty decent size for you to try out. The full size of this one retails for $32. So this is pretty decent size if you want to try it, if you want to see if you want to buy the full size. Next thing is these Italia Cologne Iris Rebel. Looks like a very nice size compared to the samples that we usually find either online or when you go in store and you ask for a travel size or like a sample size. So this one, the full size, which is a 3.3 ounces, retails for $150. So this can last you a pretty decent time. Right, so next thing is this. Ooh, I'm actually very excited about this. This is the Guerlain Radians Concentrate with pure gold makeup base. I'm actually very excited to try these because I see many people raving about this all over YouTube. So this one has like real gold flecks in it. As you can see, the full size of this product retails for $74 for a 1 ounce bottle, and this is, let's see what's in the box. Right, this is 0.16 fluid ounces. The next thing is this Lemare the Eye Concentrate. Very small, but I mean, it's Lemare. You know, Lemare is a very expensive luxury brand, and the full size of this same product, which is 0.5 ounces, not like really big, retails for $250, and this is 0.1 ounces. So the 0.5 ounces, really? Oh my god, the 0.5, look at this. So 5 of these is $215. And the next thing is this Ysl Lipstick. This is a Tatouage Couture Matte Stain from Ysl, and this one is in color number 1, Rouge Tatouage. So the full size of these Ysl liquid lipstick retails for $36. It's up. Nice wand. It's nothing like the full size. I was actually hoping to have a wand similar, or at least, you know, a little bit similar to the full size one, because that's the thing that actually attracts everyone the most, because they have such a unique applicator, wand, applicator, whatever you want to call it. And let me see the last thing inside. So this is the, I don't know if I'm gonna say this right, but this is the SK2 RNA Power Radical New Age. This is a moisturizing cream. So that's all I know. Moisturizing cream. This, I know that the full size of this one retails for $230 for a 2.7 ounce jar. This also comes with a set of collectible cards, which I think is the biggest waste of paper. I'm not gonna keep this. Who's gonna keep it? I really don't think I will. It says volume 1, you deserve nice things, of course. And the other side is a card you can bring in store, so you can get 50 bonus points. I hope I can use this online because I don't usually go in store. I'm not very sure. I'm gonna have to read through it, but I think this is a nice treat. I mean, you can use points in the rewards bazaar to get other products, other travel sizes. So the other cards just tell you the full sizes products that you get. This is the one that I wasn't sure what it was, so here you can read what it is. The other side has some words in it, blah blah blah. The Girl Line, the Giorgio Armani mascara, the YSL. Oh, so this is what I was talking about. I wish the size that we got had that applicator and the Atelier Cologne. Well, yep, that's it for this video. This is all we got in the Sephora Play Luxe. I don't think it's worth the money. I don't think this is worth $25. I think we can get some of those products in the regular Sephora Play, which is only $10 a month. But if you want to try these things before you spend all of the money in the full sizes, which is very expensive, go for it. The bag is really cute, but I don't see very practical. I don't think you can fit a full-size brush in it. I'm gonna have to see. These sizes are very small. You can get those in the rewards bazaar for points or even for a promo code. And yep, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'm actually very excited about this. Yes, I like this one. I don't want to spend all of that money without knowing if I like it. Well, yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you soon. The full size of this one, come on.